Hey people, so this is this dish from Sweet Tooth by Naila, and Ayush, if you can take a bite and tell us how it tastes. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, show me. Even I'd like to taste. Correct. Actually, we would put it in a different container, and truly, people, my child very rarely does something like that. So that should. Oh my god, anything by Sweet Tooth by Naila is like, people, you have it once and that's it. You want to just keep see, that's my child. He's it's very it's very difficult to get him to record a video in case he doesn't like it. So the fact that he's eating this on his own should tell you that this is like some really good stuff. So thank you, Naila. I'm so grateful. I'm so glad we got this. And this is from Sweet Tooth by Naila. And you all can place your order anytime because this is some really good stuff. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.